Hey guys,
yo,
Sorry, no, you go ahead. You go ahead first.
Alright. Yo, YouTube.
Okay, guys, this
better
is my new.
No. You better subscribe to The Great Dane. He is producing amazing content.
Thank you. This is my new duos partner for the Black Widow Cup, ZG Onyx. So we made the top 1%. I'm pretty sure we still are. We didn't get it, so I just want to make a quick video on what you can do if you have a hero skin, but you don't. You didn't win. So I'm using the Hunter. So let's go through the style quick. We have the bold hairstyle A, eye mask off, belt on. We have cloth brick red. We have secondary material cloth and secondary color white. We have accessory color brick red again. We have the eyes are green. We have no skin tint. We have hair tint red, brick red. And we have the Mighty Spider. Obviously you need this hero to have the Mighty Spider, except it's not female, so it's kind of weird. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna call this White Widow, guys. So we're using the Eternal Shield because it kind of looks like a spider.
If you can't afford the hero skins, you could always wear the Jennifer Lawrence. It kind of looks.
Yeah, don't worry, guys. Red Jennifer Lawrence is a pretty good cop out.
It looks the same, and they have the same hair. And then it's just Black Widow. It's just Black Widow in a skirt and a long sleeve shirt.
Yeah, we also have a black scratch mark for pickaxe. We have the white Crazy 8 glider, and we have the getaway case for the contrail. And then for emotes, we have Jedi training because you trained a lot.
And we have a really good tip. All right, so what you gotta do is you gotta ready up in like the first 8 minutes of the tournament, and then you'll get absolute bots. That's what we did until we got absolute sweats. We placed 5th place. We were at, like I said, 1%.
Yeah, we got like 4 wins in a row.
4 wins in a row, and then we got 7 wins in total out of 10, which is extremely good. 5th place.
Yeah, we were so close.
We got 164 points to be exact.
Okay, for the second emote, we have Shadows Bar, we have Mic Drop because we are done here almost.
And for some odd reason, we just didn't get the Black Widow.
Yeah, it must be a glitch, guys. No idea.
Glitched.
So we have
guys, do you have any Do you have any ideas to get how to fix this glitch?
Yeah, guys, in the comments, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any comments on how to fix this glitch, it'd be much appreciated. Like the video because it's amazing, and subscribe for more future content.
I have one more thing.
Yep.
Alright, you guys should be training for this. You guys need to be training for this tournament, because this is the NA East Black Widow Cup.
Yeah, bro, you guys don't want to end up with the White Widow. This is a
once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and you should always like and subscribe.
Definitely.
And leave a comment, and we'll
heart the comment.
Respond.
We'll definitely respond. Okay. We also have Sharpshooter because she was a great shot with pistols. We have the Shadow Angular Rift wrap because it looks like spider webs. We have the Octopus with red brick background because it kind of looks like a spider.
Oh no!
We have Warriors Horizon for the Marvel music, and we have Arachnids for the loading screen because it's Black Widow. Okay.
And then I will show you guys another skin that looks just like her.
Oh, you actually gotta pull something up.
What you gotta do is put on this skin.
Oh, I know what you're suggesting. You just kill the actual Black Widow skin.
Yes.
And then,
and
I
it
guess
looks
that
like her
works too.
kind of. You got the red hair, the blue. I mean the white skirt, whatever. And then I'll show you. This is the other one that looks kind of like her. There's a lot of options.
I don't know that Black Widow could float, but you know.
And this one
interesting.
too. This one looks like her, but like a Western theme, right?
Yeah, actually, you know that you're not wrong. That one actually does. If she had a pet snake.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's Black Widow. Like Black Widows and snakes could be friends, and yeah.
Yeah. So guys, remember, try hard for the tourney because you want this, not this. But if you guys tried really hard and you failed, you can still try for this because I'm not gonna lie, this is still pretty savage emote.
Alright,
here.
and guys, I would like to wish you a happy Veterans Day.
Oh, definitely. That's very important.
Um,
Yeah, so ZG Onyx, thank you for being in the video. This is very helpful. So you
You're
heard the man.
welcome.
Make sure to subscribe. It's very important for the economy. And is there anything else you'd like to add before I end the video?
it will help us out, and it will help him be able to give me the Black Widow skin.
Yeah, I need all those donos. My PayPal in link description. You can you can no, there actually is though. Like you seriously can't donate though. And it's anything that would just be used on stream. So
Alright,
thank you guys.
and then you could add me. ZG
Oh yeah, you
Onyx,
can add ZG. So how much are you on?
If you want.
Yeah, so would you play with random people who friended you?
Definitely, bro.
Oh yeah,
100%.
so friend ZG Onyx if you're looking for a great box fighter.
I give good to the subscribers. They need good service.
They need the content.
And I think they want to play with me because I'm just good.
Ooh, you know, while we're here, let's do an item shop review. We got Red Knight, Echo, Tasuki, Jelly, Safari, Desert Dominator, Rain, MSK Line, Billy Bounce, Taxi, Deadpool, Dragoncorn, Cyclops, Sideblade, Ghost Rider, Surfer, Daredevil, Captain America, Hulk Smasher Snap, and Daywalker's Kata. I think that's everything. I basically just stole Gabriel's job. Don't tell him I said so. But
Alright,
anyway.
and guys, I have one question for you.
Yeah, just one more thing.
No. One more thing. Be brave, stay wild. I'll see you on the next video.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great Veterans Day. Again, thank you ZG Onyx, and peace out.
My phone number in the description below if you want to contact me.
I'm gonna end the video before you get sued.